Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Cigar Gift Set is probably one of the most sophisticated presents a man can receive, offering a luxurious experience for aficionados and newcomers alike. Today, we're diving into the world of premium cigar selections, exploring what makes a great gift set, from the quality of the cigars to the elegance of the accessories. Join me as we unwrap some fantastic options, perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because, and discover the art of gifting a truly memorable experience. Number 5. AMANCY Leather Cigar Case with Cutter. This is the AMANCY cigar case. It's crafted with classic brown leather, giving it a luxurious feel. The exterior design makes it look expensive. Inside, it features cedar wood lining. This helps to keep your cigars fresh and protected. It's designed to preserve the quality of your cigars. The case has a solid construction with a functional design. It includes a spot to hold a cigar cutter. This makes it convenient for any cigar aficionado. It can hold 3 cigars, keeping them safe for travel. The dimensions are 6.5 by 3 by 1.8 inches, making it easy to carry. This makes it perfect for travel. This is a perfect gift for husbands, boyfriends, groomsmen, bosses, or fathers. If you're not satisfied, let us know, and we'll provide the best solution immediately. You'll be excited to show it off. What we like. This cigar case boasts a classic leather design, making it a stylish accessory. The cedar wood interior ensures your cigars stay fresh and protected. It's compact enough to carry easily. If you are looking for a gift that combines elegance and practicality, you should consider this. What people say. The cigars were fresh and had a great draw. The included cutter and lighter were of good quality and worked well. The presentation of the gift set was very nice. Number 4. TISFA Leather Cigar Humidor with Lighter. This cigar case is crafted with high-quality leather and cedar wood. The interior provides a natural storage space to keep your cigars fresh. It also includes a removable humidifier and a sturdy zipper for an airtight seal. This travel humidor comes with 2 detachable cedar wood trays that can hold up to 6 cigars. It also features leather straps to protect the cigars and a leather pocket for accessories. There's even a card slot for humidity packs. Included is a multifunctional cigar lighter with a lighter, cigar holder, and V-cutter. The zinc alloy lighter offers 3 windproof jet flames. The stainless steel cutter provides a clean cut every time. The lighter has a flame regulator and a fuel window for easy use. Its pocket size makes it convenient to carry. This set is designed for cigar lovers and comes in an elegant box, perfect for gifting. Each accessory undergoes rigorous inspection. Customer satisfaction is our priority, and we welcome your feedback. You'll receive a satisfactory solution to any questions. Please note that butane is not included, and neither are the cigars. What we like. This travel humidor comes with a built-in lighter and cutter, making it a complete package. The humidor maintains the ideal humidity for your cigars. It is perfect for those who enjoy a cigar on the go. If you like convenience and a complete set, you should consider this. What people say. The cigars were well packaged and arrived in perfect condition. The included accessories were of good quality and added to the overall value of the set. The presentation of the gift set was impressive, making it a great gift option. Number 3. TISFA Cigar Travel Humidor Gift Set. This cigar case boasts a premium leather exterior with a unique textured pattern. Inside, it's lined with hand-polished cedar wood, creating a perfect environment to keep your cigars fresh. It also includes a built-in humidifier and hygrometer to monitor the humidity. With 2 detachable cedar wood trays, this humidor can hold up to 6 cigars. Leather straps inside protect your cigars during travel. There's also a leather pocket for accessories and a card slot for humidity packs, making it practical and convenient. The set includes a multifunctional cigar lighter with a lighter, cigar holder, and V-cutter. The zinc alloy lighter offers 3 powerful windproof jet flames. The stainless steel cutter provides a clean cut every time, and the holder fits most cigars. The lighter has a flame regulator and a fuel window for convenience. It's pocket-sized, making it easy to carry. This set is designed for cigar lovers, and it comes in an elegant box, making it an ideal gift. Every accessory has undergone rigorous inspection. The company is committed to customer satisfaction, and they offer timely solutions to any issues. Your satisfaction is their priority. What we like. Featuring a textured leather exterior and a built-in hygrometer, this humidor is both stylish and functional. It also includes a lighter and cutter. It is designed for cigar lovers who want to monitor and maintain the perfect environment for their cigars. If you are looking for a humidor that offers both style and functionality, you should consider this. What people say. The cigars were fresh and burned evenly. The presentation was very nice. The included cutter and lighter were of good quality. Number 2. Cigar Humidor and Ashtray Set. This set includes a wooden tray with a detachable ashtray, a stainless steel cutter, and a sealed humidor. This unique design is perfect for cigar lovers to enjoy and preserve their cigars. It makes your life easier and more enjoyable. The clear acrylic cigar jar has a gold-coated waste, making it exquisite and beautiful. The solid wood lid with a rubber gasket maintains the humidity inside. This helps keep your cigars fresh for a long time. The tray is made of high-grade solid wood, providing a high-end feel and a solid structure. The removable aluminum ashtray is durable and long-lasting. It's a great decoration for various settings. The portable ashtray has 2 cigar slots and a small drawer for accessories. The entire tray is coated with a protective layer and includes a metal ashtray, making it easy to clean and use. It protects the ashtray from burning. This multifunctional cigar box set is both practical and beautiful. It's a perfect gift for cigar lovers, fathers, husbands, colleagues, and neighbors. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, anniversaries, or Christmas. What we like. This set features a wooden tray design with an ashtray and cutter, perfect for home use. The humidor jar can hold approximately 14 to 18 cigars. It is a great gift for cigar lovers who enjoy a complete and stylish setup at home. If you have a home bar or enjoy entertaining, you should consider this. What people say. The cigars were fresh and burned evenly. The included cutter and lighter were of good quality and worked well. The presentation of the gift set was very nice. Number 1. Cocktail Smoker Kit with Torch and Wood Chips. This complete cocktail smoker set includes everything you need. It features a refillable torch, various wood chip flavors, a smoker lid, and a display stand. It's perfect for creating amazing cocktails. Designed for whiskey and bourbon lovers, this kit helps you create bar-quality smoky cocktails at home. It's an elegant and easy way to enjoy your favorite drinks with a smoky flavor. The easy-to-use torch brings out deep smoky notes in your drinks. It gives your cocktails a professional finish, enhancing the overall drinking experience. Please note that butane is not included. Organize your bar accessories in style with the durable display stand. This kit becomes a showpiece among your favorite bar tools. It's both functional and visually appealing. This bourbon smoker kit makes an ideal gift for men, husbands, and dads. It's perfect for birthdays, Father's Day, or Christmas. Any whiskey lover will appreciate this thoughtful present. What we like. This cocktail smoker kit elevates your whiskey experience with a smoky flavor. It includes a torch and various wood chips. It's perfect for those who enjoy experimenting with cocktails and adding a unique touch to their drinks. If you like to create bar-quality cocktails at home, you should consider this. What people say. The cigars were fresh and had a good draw. The presentation was very nice. The included accessories were of good quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.